Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to see how to add code snippets plugin to our WordPress site and start using it. It's an absolutely simple plugin and easy to manage, especially if you want to add code snippets or manage them on your site. And why do you have to go for code snippet? First is because it's easy, simple to use, and second is because it's my favorite. I'm kidding. And the third one is because it removes the need to add custom snippets to your theme's function.php file. And also when you have theme updates, what happens is that the overridden files, they get erased, and sometimes you have to add the snippets again, and then which is taking a lot of time, and then it's absolutely confusing. So in order to remove all that confusion and make it easy for you to store and manage those code snippets, here's the plugin that I'm calling Code Snippets. Alright, how to download it? That's what we're going to see now. You can just go to the plugin section of your page and click on add new, and you can search for the plugin, install it right away, activate it on your store. I'm going to search it here. It's called the Code Snippets. Okay. It's the Code Snippets plugin. You can search for it and you'll find the very first snippet plugin is that. So install it, give install now, and it'll be installed quickly in fraction of seconds. Yes. Once it's installed, make sure you to activate the plugin. After activating, you can just take a snippet, a code, and then add it. Let's check if the plugin is activated. Yes, it's activated. Now I'm going to take you to the snippets dashboard, and you have all snippets. Here you can see the list of snippets that are active and inactive that you have created. These are some of the test snippets that I've used previously, but I'm going to show you how to do a new one. So what you do is click on add new. If you want to add a new snippet, and click on add new and enter a title for your understanding. I'm going to use a snippet for auto free product removal. Yes, this is a snippet that I'm going to add today, just for you to know. So I have the snippet here. So what I'm going to do is copy and then paste it. You can see I've added this code here. Now it's time to save it. You can click on run snippet everywhere so that it runs without any issue, and then save changes and activate. Now you'll be able to see that this particular code snippet is added. Okay. And it'll be active on your site everywhere. Yes, so if it's active, then this blue colored icon is shown. This is how you activate code snippets on your plugin using Code Snippets plugin. Awesome. You can either disable it or enable it. Now it's in on enabled state. If you want to disable it, you can do it anytime by clicking this, and it'll turn to gray. This is one of the most easiest ways to add snippets on your plugin. Yes, you can also add suitable title, and then whenever you want you can deactivate it, clone it, export it, whatever you want you can do. So I hope this really likes and suits your requirement. Please try to use it. Thank you.